Okay, today we're going to talk about percent proportion with word problems. Remember that the percent proportion is part over whole equals percent over 100. So the first thing to look at is that we have 75%. So we're going to put 75 over 100. And we have to determine if 40 is a part or a whole. So it says Mario answered 75% of the 40 problems on his history homework correctly. Well, 40 describes the whole. So we have to determine what the part is. We're going to do the cross product rule. So we're going to do 40 times 75. So 75 times 40. Well, 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Put a placeholder. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. You add it up. You are going to do divide both sides by 100. And then we will get x equals 30. So what that means, 30 of the questions out of a total of 40, Mario answered correctly. So in this example, we've determined the part. Let's look at another example. So Jamar scored 80% on a test and got 20 problems correct. How many problems are on the test? Well, remember our percent proportion is part over whole equals percent over 100. So I'm going to have 80 over 100. And 20 problems correct is going to be my part. This time I'm having to determine what the whole is. So I'm going to do the cross product rule. I'm going to do 20 times 100. And 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1 is 0. Put a placeholder. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Add it up. I'm going to get 2,000. And this is going to be 80x. I'm going to divide both sides by 80. So 2,000 divided by 80. So 80 can go into 200 about 2 times. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract. 80 can go into 400 5 times. So what this means is that the whole test is going to have 25 problems. So he got 20 problems correct out of a total of 25. All right, let's look at one last one. On this last example, it says Brandy made 60 out of 80 free throws that she attempted. What percent did she make? Well, remember, the percent proportion is part over whole equals percent over 100. My part is 60. My whole is 80. I have to figure out my percentage. So I'm going to do the cross product rule. 60 times 100 is going to get me 6,000. And then I got to divide both sides by 80. So 6,000 divided by 80. 80 cannot go into 60, but it can go into 600 about 7 times. I subtract. And 80 can go into 400 5 times. So we're looking at 75% of the free throws that made.